I think we just go for it. We're at 19?
18.
8, whatever, close enough. All right, so, hello everyone. Thank you for the ones that have stayed throughout my hunt to 20, failed hunt at 20. So I'm really, really excited about what we're about to do. As I mentioned in our last live, and I've kind of been posting on the page, really excited about this new MBC blend. It is called T-Bird, kind of a play on how we already have Pink Lady. Everyone who's seen Grease knows
20.
The other group is 20, boom! Everyone knows the other group is the T-Birds. I'm really excited about this. And with the release, we wanted to do something big. We wanted, it's a brand new strain. Everyone's been asking for a new strain, so we're finally there. We're in our new facility. We're back. We're running like crazy. We leveled up. It's wild. And so this is our time. We were releasing this new strain. We're really excited. So we wanted to do something wild with it. So speaking of movie references, I just talked about Grease, Willy Wonka, and the Chocolate Factory. So this is what we're gonna do. This golden ticket, put in protective wrapping here. Nate behind me here is going to put this in one of the first 100 T-Bird 250s that we made. So the plan is that whoever finds this golden ticket will get, let's say, 1 kilo. And once,
whoa! 1 kilo? That's fucking bullshit. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna bring you guys here for 3 days, full expense paid on us, and you're gonna get more shit than you know what to do with. Woo!
A 3-day paid trip by us to tour our new facility, be one of the first customers to come in here. Ticket at the Kava Bar, shells on us, samples of any product you want.
They will leave here with more products than they have ever had in their life.
Yeah, I mean, this is big. We're going full Willy Wonka with this thing, all right? So anyone, whoever finds this golden ticket, post on the wall, message Korai, just show us the ticket.
There's
And
only
you're 250. There's only one.
How many bags? What's the chance?
Out of 100.
Wow.
There's 100 of the first bags.
That's better than the PA lottery.
Better for the first 100 bags. We're gonna put this in one of them. Whoever finds it, I'll see you soon. So, we'll walk over here. I'm gonna give this off to Nate Boy. Nate, please put in a random 250.
Can you let Nate take the photo so you can see nothing is labeled?
Yep. Nope. Get a little closer so you know that nothing's labeled.
Show them nothing's labeled in there, Bob.
Nothing's labeled, everything is, even the kilos, everything down. Oh,
It has been chosen. So, first 100 bags, one chance to come meet the brothers Kildini in person.
And these fine gentlemen.
And
Jets,
these fine
everybody
gentlemen.
involved.
Thank you very much.
Yeah,
You want to
thank you guys.
announce the Father's Day sale?
I don't know what it is.
I don't know either.
30% whole store. Let's go.
See you soon.
Mike, drop.